So guys, let's take a look at what Euro JPY will be giving us today. So let's see what Euro JPY is going to be doing for us for the day. So first thing first, this is those that are yet to subscribe to the channel. If you are new and not yet subscribed, you should do what to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is the Euro JPY. We still have this analysis by the way. We've been saying it for a very long time that EURJPY will come to tap our resistance level. Guess what market did? Not only the market came to tap the resistance level, it even broke above it. So you can see that our prediction is absolutely correct. Those of you that have been following this channel consistently, you should have been able to grab a lot of profit on this, right? You should have been able to make grab a lot of pips on this movement, which we actually predicted. Now, if you've not yet subscribed, if you are new, it will be best you click on the subscribe button, like and share, so that once we drop more updates, you will not miss out on these updates. Now, what EURJPY is doing now is giving us that pressure, and it will continue. By this, so we would expect it to push up to level 186. So currently, EURJPY is trading at 185. Let's see it push up till it comes to level 186. That will be about 99 pips. Let's approximate it to 100 pips. So if you can go in for your buy right now and hold your buy for the next 3 to 4 days, right, couple of days to come, right, you are definitely going to hit this level of 186 and even possibly break above it, thereby grabbing about 100 pips in profit. So what we are trying to say is that a bullish move is still what we will be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So now take a look at this movement. I want you guys to see something. Take a look at this movement so you understand it. This was the high, right? The market did give us. There is the higher low. Market eventually was able to push up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Now market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high, and now we will be expecting market to give us an higher low. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your EURJPY now, expect EURJPY to give you a pullback which will be an higher low. So guys, a pullback which will be an higher low is what you should be expecting. Once it gives you a pullback which is an higher low, then expect market to now push up again to form a new higher high. Now, should you jump in on the buy? The answer is definitely no. Do not jump in on the buy, because this is a massive higher high the market has given us. It is a massive movement to just say that market has given us. So it is common sense that market must give you a pullback. So wait for that pullback, be patient for that pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then you can now go in for the buy that will push up to eventually take out this high. Above all, more movement to the upside is what we'll be expecting on our EURJPY. In order for you not to miss out on next updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So once we drop the new updates, you will not miss out on the updates.